Today we're in Denver. We just arrived at the Bear Creek Lake Campground and we're about to get settled in, just filling the escape with water first. Only have power at this site. And then we are going to drive to Boulder, which is another hour away, even after we've been driving for the day so far. But it's because we want to go and get a coffee maker that we found online for a really good deal, but we're also going to check out Boulder since we're going to be in the area. Only took a matter of minutes, but we're all set up and now we're off to Boulder.
It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky.
Well, Dave has gone to pick up the Moccamaster. That's the coffee maker. Apparently it's a really cool, fancy coffee maker. Dave knows a lot about these things. I don't. But yeah, hopefully it works out.
You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night.
Well, we got the coffee machine. Dave is very excited about it. I think it's exactly what he was looking for. And now we're in downtown Boulder and we're gonna go to the Pearl Street Market with Hudson just for a little walk around, see what is here and enjoy some of the scenery. Located in the heart of Boulder, Pearl Street Mall is one of Colorado's most vibrant downtown areas. Stretching 4 walkable blocks, it's packed with local restaurants, street performers, shops, and historic buildings dating back to the 1800s. With the Rocky Mountains rising in the background and a constant buzz of energy, it's definitely a cool spot to visit if you're in the area. Slap it. We've tried to find seating at about 3 restaurants now that have patios because of course Hudson is with us and everything is packed here. It's so busy. Guess because it's a Sunday. So I think we're gonna get ice cream instead. Well, we found some food after all. It's a bit of a interesting indoor food court with some high-end food. Looks really good, and there's a patio outside where Hudson can sit at, which is the most important thing. Hudson? What do you think, buddy?
I'm going to get one.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah, I think so, right?
Hudson, you made it back. Now we'll head back to the trailer. Okay, buddy. There you go. There was likely no question in your mind that the first thing Dave wanted to do when we got back to the trailer was test out the new coffee maker.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me.
And after such a long day of travel and sightseeing, we decided it was also time for dinner.
Got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it lies. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing. Let the morning slip. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that.
Sometimes you just need to have what you're craving, and tonight it's just a basic grilled cheese with turkey and some ketchup, of course. It's gonna be delicious.
On the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that. Feels like that.
The next day we realized that something called the Red Rocks Park and Amphitheatre was located just a 15-minute bike ride from the campground we're staying at. We didn't know if it would be anything cool, but honestly we just wanted an excuse to go biking. So we went, and it turns out this place is pretty amazing. Carved directly into towering red sandstone formations, Red Rocks Amphitheatre is considered one of the most iconic outdoor music venues in the entire world. It sits at more than 6,000 feet above sea level, and the natural acoustics and dramatic scenery make any concert that happens here feel pretty unforgettable. Who would have thought we'd end up at such an iconic location, almost by accident? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really does help us out. And don't forget to come back tomorrow to see where we go next.